Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. If you've been struggling with dry, damaged hair that's seen better days, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing a product that promises to breathe life back into those brittle strands. SACHAJUAN Moisturizing Conditioner. This might just be the solution you've been looking for, but let's dive in and see if it lives up to its claims. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more honest beauty reviews. SACHAJUAN Moisturizing Conditioner is designed to tackle the common hair woes of dryness, damage, and frizz, especially for those with bleached or colored hair. It's a gel-form conditioner, which already sets it apart from the usual cream-based formulas we're used to. The key ingredients here are ocean silk technology and argan oil. Together, they promise to deliver deep moisture while helping to repair damage and provide a frizz-free finish. It's made with natural ingredients, so you know it's not packed with harsh chemicals. Now, I've been testing this conditioner over the last few weeks, and I can say it's been a game changer for my hair. I've been using it alongside my regular shampoo routine, and I can immediately feel the difference. The texture is smooth and lightweight, easy to apply without feeling like it's weighing down my hair. The gel consistency is different from the usual creamy conditioners, but it still manages to coat the hair well. I've found that it rinses out easily, leaving no residue behind, which is a huge plus. In terms of performance, my hair feels noticeably softer and looks shinier after using it. I can tell that the argan oil is working its magic because there's less frizz and my hair feels more nourished. The ocean silk technology adds a layer of moisture that helps restore that healthy bounce to the hair. It's not overly heavy, so I haven't noticed any greasy feeling, just smooth, manageable strands. I did try it on a day when my hair was in need of some serious hydration, after a long week of heat styling and color treatments, and I was impressed by how well it revived my hair without making it feel limp. But as with any product, there are a few things to consider. While it does leave my hair feeling soft and nourished, it doesn't offer the same level of intense moisture as some richer, heavier conditioners. If you're dealing with extremely dry or coarse hair, you might want to pair this with a more intensive treatment for that extra hydration boost. Also, while the fragrance is subtle, it may not appeal to those who prefer their hair products to have a stronger scent. Now, in terms of value for money, SACHAJUAN is definitely on the higher end of the price scale, but considering the quality of the ingredients, especially the addition of argan oil and the brand's proprietary ocean silk technology, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to repair and maintain dry, damaged hair. It's not just about the price tag, it's about what this conditioner does for your hair in the long run. If you're looking for something that nourishes your hair while also providing a gentle but effective moisture boost, this conditioner delivers. I've also compared it to some other high-end moisturizing conditioners on the market, and while it's certainly pricier than others, the results justify the investment. If you're after a product that focuses on repairing and hydrating without weighing the hair down, SACHAJUAN is a standout option. When it comes to the build quality, the packaging is simple yet effective. The conditioner comes in a sturdy, no-fuss bottle, and the gel formulation makes it easy to control the amount you dispense. Plus, it lasts a good while, because you don't need a lot of product for each use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Regarding customer service, I've found SACHAJUAN to be a reliable brand with a reputation for offering prompt and helpful responses. While I haven't had to contact them personally, the brand's solid customer feedback speaks for itself. As for alternatives, there are other moisturizers out there for dry hair that might be a bit more affordable, but none quite compare when it comes to balancing hydration and repair without overloading the hair. If you're open to something more budget-friendly, you might want to try drugstore options like OGX or Shea Moisture, but they won't offer the same level of professional-grade nourishment that SACHAJUAN does. So, what's the final verdict? SACHAJUAN Moisturizing Conditioner is perfect for those looking to restore moisture and vitality to dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. It's especially ideal if you're concerned about frizz and want something that offers long-lasting hydration. Yes, it's on the pricey side, but if you're investing in your hair's health, this product is well worth considering. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.